The same as how you spend money to buy object, you can correlate prana, meaning you are spending prana to buy experience from things around you. And it may not be constant. The same item at one particular day you may be spending more prana, buying more experience. On another day, the same item you may be buying less experience. Watch the same movie twice, what happens? So, correlate prana as the currency for buying experience. Once you understand this, you have to start working on regulating it. Because currently, you are not in control of your expenditure of prana. You are being compelled to spend prana. Sit in your room for half an hour without doing anything. No laptop, no phone, no book, nobody to talk to. You start getting restless. Something starts pushing you out of the room. I want to go, do something to buy experience. Listen to some song, watch some movie, talk to somebody. Some experience. Something is pushing you. You are not controlling the money. Money is controlling you. Same way, you are not controlling prana. Prana starts controlling you. Suppose you have a lot of money. And you have a bank account with that money there. Currently, you have control of your bank account. You will go to the bank when you need to withdraw money. You will withdraw and then spend it. You control the money. You withdraw it when you need it and you spend it when you need to spend it. But now imagine that you lose control of the bank account and the bank manager starts controlling your account. Meaning he doesn't spend money, but controlling in the sense, every day he will come to your house and give 1,000 rupees from your account and says you have to spend it. And you say, no, I don't want. He says, no, you have to spend, this is the policy of the bank. Your money only, but the policy of the bank is that you have to spend 1,000 rupees every day from your account. Bank manager says like this. And it cannot be deposited back. That is another policy. You have to compulsorily spend that 1,000 on that day. The next day that 1,000 becomes invalid. Another policy. Add more policy. Now imagine this condition. If this happens with your bank account, what would you do? Commit suicide. No, all banks are like this. If all banks are like this, the whole banking system is like this, what would you do? It is actually happening that way. It is already happening that way. Not with banks, but with prana. Something else is pushing you to spend prana and you spend it. It is a very simple fact. You cannot sit quiet for 5 minutes. Have you ever wondered why? You may be thinking that you are the master of your life. If you are master of something, for example that fan, I am the master of that fan. If I want, I can switch it on. If I don't want, I can switch it off. I should be able to do both. That is mastery. Mastery means what? You should be able to go both ways, not just one way. If the fan keeps running forever, you actually have lost control of the switch. Switch has got damaged. But still you say, I am letting it on. Let it go on. That is lie. I can't control it. That is why it is going on. Similarly, your prana is bubbling up uncontrolled. You are not controlling it, but you want to act as if you are in control of the life. Fact is you are not. If you are in control, you should be able to do both. It's a simple fact. If you are master of something, you should be able to do both. It starts with the mind, but the symptoms start showing outside. In your respiratory rate, in your heart rate, in your Angamaya Jayata, this is called Angamaya Jayata. Body starts trembling for no reason. You start doing this for no reason. You can't sit quietly, you can't sit still. Whatever happens around you starts disturbing you. I'll give you an example. For example, you are sitting in Maitri Milan, Mangal Mandir. I don't know if you are going, I'm hoping you are going. Maitri Milan, you are sitting. Suppose you go early. You go 5 minutes early and you are sitting. Now just start observing yourself from tomorrow. Whoever passes by, you look at him. Who is that? Is there a need to look at that face? Is he going to come and do something to you? No. But still you want to register each and every face. Why? Mind is always looking for experiences. You are in uncontrolled fashion spending your prana. You sit there just as a channel for prana to perform its rampage. You have just become a channel through which flood can come out. You no more have a wall. It is coming out uncontrolled. This, if you identify first, pratyahara will begin. This is the first and very foremost thing to identify.